नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम। अम्मा बाद, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। An important question, that what is the sin of passing in front of a man performing the salat? Abu Juhaym radhiyallahu narrated that Rasulullah sallallahu said that if a person who passes in front of a man performing the salat knew the magnitude of his sin, he would prefer to stay for 40 days, months or years rather than to pass in front of him. It's narrated in the Bukhari Sharif, hadith number 510. So passing in front of a man performing the salat is a big sin. We must follow the rule, as was the practice of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, prayed behind the pillar or the spear as sutra. So Abu Sa'id radhiyallahu narrated that Holy Prophet ﷺ said that if anyone among you is praying behind something as sutra and somebody tries to pass in front of him, then he should repulse him, or if he refuses, he should use his force to stop him, because he is a devil, shaitan. It is narrated in the Bukhari Sharif, hadith number 509. So a man is declared as a shaitan, devil, who tries to pass in front of a man performing the salat. So may Allah help us to understand the Quran and the Sunnah. After viewing this video, share it, so it would become sadqa jariyah for you. Wa ma alayna illa al-balagh al-mubin.